Vermont has a tough choice. Short-term rentals are taking up housing stock that local workers need, but they're also generating massive revenue for our state. To understand the debate, we have to look at the taxes. Here is exactly where the money goes. Every booking carries three main taxes. First, the 9% state rooms tax. This is split between the general fund and the education fund. Then there's the 3% short-term rentals surcharge. This is a newer tax specifically for short-term rentals that goes 100% to the education fund. Lastly, the 1% local option tax, and for towns that have it, 75% of that revenue stays right in the town, and the other 25% goes into a state pot to help other towns. And then there's property taxes. Because Airbnbs are businesses, in most cases owners pay the non-homestead tax rate, which is often higher than what a local resident pays, adding even more money to the education fund. Finally, there's income tax. Any profit generated by the Airbnb is taxable by the state, adding even more money to our general fund. So here's the debate. Let's say someone stays at an Airbnb in Stowe, for example, for 2 nights at, let's say, $500 each. That generates $130 in immediate tax revenue for our schools in the state. That's far more than a working class family's home would generate in that same weekend. But on the flip side, it also makes it harder for that working class family to find a place to live. Is that extra cash worth the housing crunch? Vermont is still trying to decide that, but what do you think?